With all the hype surrounding DeepSeek and how it compares to ChatGPT, there's a lot of debate as to which is the better AI model to use. So how about we have a little fun and have ourselves a prompt battle to see which one, if either, comes out on top. For this challenge, we're going to use something called tree of thought prompting, which is a great prompting technique to use. In case you're unfamiliar, tree of thought prompting helps the AI think through the problem by asking it to explore multiple ideas or solutions at once. Kind of like branches on a tree, comparing the different options and eventually pick the best one. The tree of thought process involves 3 distinct steps. Step 1, you explain your problem, give some background details and restrictions, then ask the AI to generate 3 very different solutions. Step 2 is asking the AI to go deep and analyze each solution, the strengths, the weaknesses, potential barriers, failures, etc. Step 3 is to select the best or most likely solution to the problem, ranking all 3 from best to worst and explaining why. You can download this entire prompt by using the link below. Okay, time for the moment of truth. Let's put both models to the test and go 3 rounds using these different scenarios. For the first round, we want to start our own business and have to deal with these limitations. For the second round, we need help with our budget and have no idea where to start. And for the third round, we want to see if we can reduce our taxes and optimize our savings given these restrictions. During the video, we'll show you a side-by-side comparison of each AI's response with minimal commentary, letting you make your own judgment. After each scenario is complete, we'll display each response in a full screen mode to make it easier to read, and feel free to pause the screen if necessary. Okay, time for round 1, starting your own business. To begin, let's enter the first step of our prompt. All right, now let's add the second step. And now the final step. Here they are in full screen. And that's the end of round 1. Time for round 2, getting help with our budget. So let's go ahead and add our first step. And now let's add our second step. And now the third step. Here they are in full screen. And that's the end of round 2. Time for round 3. We want to pay less taxes and optimize our savings. So, one more time, let's add our first step. Now let's add our second step. And the third step. Here they are in full screen. And there you have it, 3 different problems put through DeepSeek and ChatGPT using tree of thought prompting. I'm going to leave things right here and not provide any personal commentary or thoughts as to which AI model I think did better, because I'm more interested in hearing what you think. So, who do you think won? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.